Good morning. Unlike the last 2 days where we got up at like 4:30, head for the safaris or the ride or the drive, today is much more relaxing day. So came for breakfast here. And after long time, since I am trying to lose some weight, I haven't had chole bhature, and this looks yum. Paratha, poha. A lot of people are watching the India-Australia cricket match here. So let me get back to the match, enjoy some breakfast. Today is a very flexible day in terms of activities. We have only afternoon safari planned. Rest all we need to figure out. We'll have breakfast and then decide that. Okay?
Robert.
Oh, the fourth one's here. You remember last time I was talking about a lakeside tent, and I wished we had that tent instead of the one we had, because every morning we can have this amazing view. Just take a look at the lake yourself. It's decent. You can kill some time here in the evening, maybe have some tea, coffee. Nothing great about this lake. We'll do some nature walk and see if that's any worth. So far the trip's been okay. We have one safari left today evening. Hopefully that's good. Okay, time to do some cycling. Just heading out for a trail. Usually cycles should be easier compared to walking, but they weren't. So did we decide to walk instead of taking this small eco park trail or something. Let's hope this is fun. They planned this in the morning around 7 o'clock when the sun rises and all. So you can see the footprints of leopard and tiger apparently. Don't know how true is that, but they say they can. Let's go here or here. I think here is better. That's a tiger footprint.
Yeah, this was muddy, no, when he walked.
So quite a few days back.
Yeah, it's around
There was a leopard mark there too.
15-20 days. So this is a big meal. Now it's an old one. This land has been cracked. It's quite, when it is, very fresh. So this particular finger is. This is the left paw.
Deer footprints and also hair. There is one camera trap there.
Tiger and leopard both.
But if there are people there, I think they can easily cross also this side. Yeah,
They are collecting the firewood.
Firewood collection. So this entire area is to the forest.
Yeah. This is also a forest, but this is a private land.
Achha. Yes. All three of them staring. Literally walking in the wild. Small section of the resort. We got an upgrade. Not the room upgrade, but the vehicle upgrade. It's a huge ass vehicle for probably 4 people. Today is an evening safari towards Turya Gate. If you already don't know, we're staying at Pinch Jungle Camp. They're doing a good job in terms of maintaining hygiene and cleanliness, arranging safaris. The staff are pretty diligent in terms of arranging food, water, all the services. How's your experience in the resort?
So far good. I literally enjoyed exploring our eco park.
Actually, that was good. So after we did the initial walk, and then the naturalist here, the senior naturalist, joined us. So he showed few interesting things. That's when we ventured into the wild. The first time that we
taken that snake print.
Yeah, so the first time we went, that mark was not there. I saw it on the video.
Oh no.
The next time when we went with the naturalist, there was that snake mark. The naturalist says that's a Russell Viper's mark on the ground. And a few other guests have also spotted in the eco park walk or something. It's a small walk. There is a fence, but I guess animals still come. There are a lot of monkeys, as you saw, and he says tigers and leopard have come, and the marks show that. But that was fun experience last night, and today morning that was decent experience. आपका नाम साहब?
संदीप सर.
संदीप?
हाँ जी, संदीप देवड़कर.
I'll meet you at the gates.
अच्छा. He is Hari. తెలుగు ఎక్కడి నుంచి? హైదరాబాద్ లో.
I'm from Manikonda.
మణికొండ. ఒరిజినల్ గా?
Original from Vanaparthi.
Vanaparthi. Nice. Ikkada senior naturalist. He is coming us for the safari too.
Yeah.
So
Do you want
that
to
would
say
be.
that he is an engineering student?
Oh yeah,
He was an
he
engineering
was an
student.
engineering student and pursuing a hobby in biology.
You can say that I'm a naturalist here. I teach about wildlife. I do
Okay.
conduct this nature walk.
So he was the other one who accompanied us for the eco walk. Shashank,
Senior
the
naturalist.
senior
He's a researcher basically.
researcher.
Running after the car or what?
What is going on?
Give me that, you will
So
forget.
you can-
So you come to a gate like this, buy the tickets, entry passes, and then go inside. Here you have all those options. Pinch. Last day. So any hopes for a tiger? Tigress, leopard.
Hoping for the best. But if not tiger, I'm okay even seeing other animals.
Yeah,
but
the thing is, we didn't find. I mean, probably we're going too fast, or the route is like that. We didn't find many animals in the morning safaris. I thought forest boleto there'd be a lot more animals, but all we could see is what spotted deer. But good, yeah, they've organized it pretty well. Hotels or resorts have people waiting at these gates from 4 o'clock. They buy the tickets and then the safari starts. So by the time they reach the gate, they have everything ready and then go. Some don't. But what the naturalist was telling us is there is no rush as such. Let people go, and even in fact, if you go little late, you might have a better sighting, because when you're in a group, it's like a convoy, right? So even animals get scared and they might not come that side. That's the basic sense of it.
ఒకటి నా పేరు ఉంది, ఒకటి ఆయన పేరు ఉంది.
So there are more
ఈ
rules.
వెహికల్ నేను కూడా నడపచ్చు.
So more rules, GPS tags, entry check, temperature checks, COVID checks.
ఎస్
सब है मतलब temperature check करे तो it is a small indicator. No? This is Turia Gate. This is much more stricter than what we had elsewhere. Lot more demand for this also actually in this area. हाँ इधर एक बार रुकेगा बस. So this is called the ghost tree that we saw last night in the night safari. Idhar ruke bus.
Wow.
So this changes colors 3 times in a season, huh?
No, depending on the season it will change colors.
Acha. They call it ghost because of the appearance in the night.
వాటి పైన వెల్వెట్
It's
అన్నమాట.
been staring at us for the last 2-1
थोड़ा सा
minute.
आगे चलते जस्ट राइट साइड में एक और है मेल काफी बड़ा काफी बड़े एंटलर्स भी है.
It's the closest we got to a deer. There's a lake here, but a lot of vehicles here because they probably heard a call.
जनरली जब भी कोई प्रेडिटर मूव करता है ना तो उसको देख के डियर लंगू आवाज करता है.
फॉलो रखे.
हाँ
You heard that? That's a deer alarm call. Again. All those vehicles from there till here are waiting for the tiger
वाइल्ड
sighting.
रोड से 1 सेकंड रुकना जरा. 1 सेकंड रुको.
रुको पे.
I don't know if you can see, but that's wild boar in the water. And that's a mongoose.
స్పెసిఫిక్ చెప్తా.
Oh, jackal hai. Country jackal.
గోల్డెన్ జాకల్.
Golden jackal. Few more calls.
निकल सकते हैं क्या आगे? हाँ
Few more calls. Those guys saw leopard apparently. Calls bigger. All the guides are in trying to figure out where it is. We keep hearing those call signs and they're trying to figure out the location. Some spotted the leopards crossing, some didn't. इतना peaceful है तो no.
But they have gathered together.
हाँ, they are close together, na? So
Because of the calls, they have gathered together.
gather together to be more safe.
It was definitely good.
Much better than
Good experience.
what we had before, the previous 2 safaris. So we at least spotted 5 or 6 different animals. Today also no luck. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
But yeah, we could feel that sound.
Jungle,
Fun.
right?
Very, very close to them.
Yeah.
From deer there were multiple calls, very close by, so probably missed by a few minutes. That's it for this safari trip to Pench. Hope you enjoyed the series. I know you didn't get to see much, but if you want some of the photos that we have taken today, here is the Instagram link. You can find the photos there. So 5:30 the gates closed, and after finishing the safari, both of us came back to the hotel, had some tea, relaxed, chilled for a while, and then what did we do? We discussed some options of extending the trip with the front desk staff here, and not just in this location. We thought of even exploring Tadoba, because the naturalist who came with us in the morning for the eco walk, he spent almost 8 to 10 years at Tadoba, and he recommends that highly. So we discussed Tadoba in detail, and we even made some calls and we found out what safari options were available. There was one safari option, I think it's Malwa, which was available.
Mamla and Zari.
Mamla and Zari were available, but the guy here said avoid that. And rest all gates were not at all available online. Only this was available, which was also another sign that it is not as popular. We have a great luck with fighting tigers already, so we didn't want to take another chance, spend some money for 2 nights again. Maybe we'll plan Tadoba separately because it's so close to Hyderabad, just 3-4 hours from Hyderabad. We can have a dedicated 3-4 day trip, just like this trip to Pench, and explore Tadoba in detail. Keeping the tiger sighting aside, I think on a whole, the safari experience, on a whole, the resort experience, the food, the vacation was good, at least for me.
Yeah, it was definitely good experience. Yeah, as you said, maybe we couldn't locate the tigers, but then overall experience in finding out new animals and all, yeah, it was pretty good. I'm happy, at least.
Okay.
We went for 3 safaris, right? Like one in the morning and another in the night, and third one was during the afternoon. So every time we had a different type of experience, and it got upgraded from one to another. Especially I loved night safari because it was so deep into the forest and it was so dense.
So on a whole, just want to say that if you have only tiger sighting in mind, you might get disappointed. If you want to have an experience of safari and some wildlife and a good resort with pretty good accommodation. How did you like your food?
It was really good. Out of everything, I just loved Haldiram's.
Yeah. So tomorrow we're going to have Haldiram's again. You might have to visit Nagpur just for that. This would probably be the day 3 or episode 3 of the vlog. I had to split it because it was getting long. While editing, I realized the night safari was much more interesting even when I was talking about it. That's the end of this trip. Tomorrow we'll be heading back to Hyderabad. We will probably start late, have lunch at Nagpur at Haldiram's, and then go back home by late night. So that way we get to enjoy Haldiram's again. We don't know when we'll come back. Maybe we'll come back in Jan again when we do Tadoba, Jan or Feb or March. We don't know. So that's it for today's video. And in case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night. Take care and see you in the next one.